In this video, we'll show you what to do if your MSI laptop is not detecting the external monitor. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now here go to the system tab. Now click on display. Now in this menu, you need to scroll down and then click on multiple displays. Now here you will need to select this detect option. If it says we didn't find another display, try unplugging the HDMI cable and then plugging it back in. If this doesn't work, what you can do is press Windows plus P on your keyboard. Now here you will need to select this duplicate option and your external monitor will be detected immediately. If it's not, what you can do is try resetting the graphics driver on your MSI laptop. For that, you simply need to press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together. Once you do this, your screen will flash and the graphics driver will be reset. After that, check if your MSI laptop can detect the external monitor. If you still experience the same problem, right click on the start icon and then select Device Manager from the list. Now in the Device Manager window, you'll need to expand Display Adapters. Here you might see an entry called NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. It doesn't really matter, simply right click on the entry and make sure it's enabled. If it's already enabled, you can try disabling it, selecting yes and then try enabling it again. If this doesn't work however, right click on the display adapter driver and then select uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and then select uninstall again. Now go to the monitors section and then repeat the same process here as well. So simply right click, select uninstall and then click on uninstall again. Once you have done this, simply restart your MSI laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, you may need to hard reset your MSI laptop. For that, shut down your MSI laptop completely and unplug everything including the charger and all the other accessories from it. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your MSI laptop for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, simply turn on your MSI laptop and it should now detect the external monitor without any issues. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.